I am Fairy Fraction. I'm your fairy and will tell you about myself. I love my fraction friends and they love me too. I am very simple and so you will love me too. You must have cut the cake on your birthday. Remember? Did you eat the whole cake? I'm sure not. You must have had a piece of the cake. That piece is called a fraction. You also must have given a piece of cake to each of your friends. Those pieces of cake which you distributed to your friends are called fractions. The word fraction comes from a Latin word that means to break. So fraction means breaking something into pieces. I am written in a special way. I call it my secret code. I will share it with you too. 2 by 4. This is called numerator. It shows the number of pieces you have. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. It tells how many pieces will make a complete thing. I'm sure you're liking to know about me. Let me make it simpler for you with the following examples. I have 3 dogs with me, of which 1 is black and 2 are brown. So to tell you about my dogs in fractions, I say 1 by 3. That is, 1 is numerator, the black dog. 3 is denominator, total number of dogs. I had a big chocolate and was about to eat it. Just then, 3 of my friends came in. I had to share it with them. Since there are 4 of us, I have to divide it into 4 parts. So this can be written as 1 by 4. That is, 1 equal piece for 4 of us. It will be very funny if I say the code 1 by 4 this way. 1 with a line below and 4 under it. This is where the ordinals will help you name the fractions. Call the numerator as the number, that is 1, and the denominator is called as the ordinal of that number, that is 4th. Do you know there are special names to some fractions? 1 by 2 is called half. It is said 1 by 2. 1 by 4 is also called quarter. Let's read out the names of these fractions. 1 by 3, 1/3. 1 by 5, 1/5. 1 by 6, 1/6. Doesn't my code and special language make fractions easy for you? Let us take the help of the circle and its pieces to understand further. Now look at the red pieces given as stickers. Lay both pieces on top of the blue circle so that they cover the circle. How many pieces do you have? Write that number above the line. Now write how many pieces it took to cover the circle here. You should have written a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom. Did you? Great! Now look at your yellow pieces. Do you have 3 of them? Lay them on the blue circle so that you cover the whole circle. Now take 1 off. Write how many yellow pieces it takes to make a whole circle underneath the line. Now, write how many pieces you still have on your circle above the line. Did you write a 3 under the line and a 2 above the line? If so, good work! You have 2 by 3, 2/3 of a circle. This is about me you should know now. Try on the exercises to remember me forever. Shade half of the following picture. Put the shaded fraction in numbers and in words. 1 is done for you. 1 by 3, 1/3. Shade 1/4 of the circle in blue and write the fraction of the balance, unshaded portion. How many are shaded? Write the fraction based on the pictures in the box. 3 5 3 by 5, 3/5.